Welcome to the channel, everybody. This is another installment of azxp Garage. This is my next project in the garage. My neighbor put this out on the street with a free sign. He says that it runs and it cuts, and I decided to grab it and do some fixes on it. And I thought I would do a series on it in case people were interested in watching it go. So this is exactly what it looks like when I got it. It is a 2004 DLT 3000 Craftsman riding lawnmower. He said it runs and it cuts, and I did get it started, but the battery was dead, so I had to charge the battery. So that's all I've done, is just charge the battery to get it in the driveway. But as you can see, the gas tank is rotted out, so it needs a new gas tank, and the seat's rotted out, so it needs a new seat. So, and it's very dirty. So this is the first video in the series, just to show you the status of how I got it. So if you're interested in watching this get restored, then subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. And I will also create this into a series or a playlist, so if this is all you're interested, you don't have to watch my other videos. Alright, more to come. Thanks for watching.